Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today is my first unboxing video that I've done on my channel in quite a long time, ever since I've been back at least. So I'm rebuilding my collection, so I'm slowly building up, really getting purpose-fulfilled or purpose-driven fragrances, if you will, that are for specific events. And yeah, it's exciting to build my collection again. So the scenario behind this scent that I'm going to go ahead and unveil to you and you probably know it's definitely it's Tom Ford. That's from the Tom Ford. The scenario is my wife and I were going to a fundraiser where you had to pay a certain amount just to get in, and then donate depending on kind of what's going on. So my wife, she's wearing this green dress, this green and pink dress. And so I'm wearing something to complement her. It's got green, pink, and blue in it as well too. So I think it's I haven't decided not whether or not I'm going to go with the green shirt and pink tie, or the pink shirt and green tie along with the rest of my suit ensemble with it. So we'll see. But either way, given that, I wanted something that was going to kind of fit the occasion. Now again, we're in Tampa. It's warm. I believe part of the fundraiser slash event is outside, so I wanted something that's going to do well in the heat at least. I wanted something that's going to kind of fit and match that occasion. So what I chose was from House of Tom Ford, and for those of you who had guessed it in my previous video, good on you. Neroli Portofino. Yeah. Oh, whoops. Sorry about that. Neroli Portofino from Tom Ford. So yeah, Tom Fords, I lost, I think, almost all of my Tom Fords. Actually, I lost, yeah, almost all of my Tom Fords. And so I'm happy to kind of rebuild my collection of the Tom Fords that I'm, targeting. So this one I did not have in my collection before, but I'm happy to get this one in because it's kind of been always one of those that I've been looking to target. There's a couple that you guys know that I'm going to have to buy. For example, Tuscan Leather, definitely coming back into my collection. But yeah, this one has impressed me just because I love the warm weather and the decadence at the same time that this one brings. So, yeah, the Neroli, it's a bright Neroli. It's a well put together one, and it's the reason why I didn't keep the Ferrari one, because I just think this is a better Neroli. It sits on the skin better for me. It lasts longer better for me, and just feels a lot more upscale. And so yeah, oh, that's some good stuff. And so, yeah, Neroli Portofino. I'm excited to wear this one tomorrow. I'll let you guys know how it goes, and yeah, we'll go from there. All right. Thank you guys. Take care of yourselves, and you guys have a great day.